Hello everyone. So once again, may mga parents nga nag-request para sa ato no to make a lesson or discussion about percentage, base and rate. So that also ang ilang mga kabataan makabalo. So as we all know, we are now suffering from the effect of new normal, and we all know syempre nga hindi tanan maka-access ang tutorial. So this could be our means to teach them little by little lang. So makaya ta lang sang oras naton. So this is percentage, base and rate by Sir Jeremiah Kiret. So this is a very common lesson, no? If we tend to measure it, this is a very common lesson since we deal with it every single day. So for example, if we want to go to supermarket or public market, so muna siya makita naton. So magbakal kita, so probably kita mismo, we are money wise man. We are conscious about the things that matter kung magbakal kita. Kay mo na basi maurot, so dapat tanda man kita. Also, if we go to mga city mall or Unitap or any other malls in the Philippines, so probably may mga sign magsulod kita nga sometimes maka-tempt sa aton to buy something. So bisan hindi natin kinahanglan. So we just like for example this one, no? Clearance sale, 20% off. So probably makita tagi na sila sa mga tarpaulin kisa magsulod ka sa mga entrance bala sang mall. And sometimes we tend to think ay kung mag 20% nga discount gali ang sa kabayo, so pila na lang gali ang ako mabayaran. So is it enough? Ayan, sa money nga gidala ko subong. Because if you don't do like this, if you don't know how to calculate, probably when you will end up like this, no? So ang bata ga hibi. So kalain man naguro nga puli ka wala ka kwarta because in just way kakabalos ang nga motugal ang balayran mo. So just a brief discussion lang. So where does all my money go? It's like hocus pocus and brocos. So kita hindi man tani gusto guro mag parehas sa sini. No, end up wala ka nagali-bilin kwarta even pinupliti mo. I am one step away from being rich. All I need now is money. So one step closer to be rich ka na, then you end up you need more money manggali gyapon. So it's all the same thing. Ikaw nga minions ka. Okay. So before we start, so this is the starting point. So I just wanna give you some definition of this formula. So probably this is the figure for formula naton. So letter P stands for percentage. So ang butsilingon sa P is percentage. And for letter B, dito butang ang letter B stands for base. So apos na siya i-memorize because ang first letter lang ang inyong ipatinan. So R stands for rate. So sir, since we all know already ang both silingon sa percentage, sa P, B, kag R, so I'm gonna be giving you some points about the formula. So since kabalo ka na, so paano tani mabalaan, paano tani ma-formulate ang formula depende sa sitwasyon. So first up, ang obround talaga na diri gusto ko itudlo sa inyo is, for example, if percentage ang ginapangita naton, as you look at here, no, may ara sang letter sa dalom B kag R. So it indicates that the operation is multiplication. So just like this, so percentage equals base times rate. So kung tanaw naton, ang linya nila duwa is gatadlong sila horizontal. So dapat ang imo diri nga formula sa percentage dapat horizontal man kapa amo inyo. So next up, we have here of course, diri sa base naman. So sir, kung ang base naman ang pangitao naton, ano naman nga combination sa letter ang pwede naton gamiton? So kung ang base naman ang ginapangita na rin naton, so pwede mo na siya naitabunan. So kung tanawon ta, ang base dere, ang sa babaw sina is P and ang sa dalom sina is R. So it indicates that the operation is division. So just like this one, no? P over R. So mula na kasimple. And also for the rate, kung magpangita kita sang rate naton, ang aton obrahon dere is we need to tabon man sa letter R. So anong makita naton sa tupad sang remaining letters? So we have P and then P. No? So probably the formula for rate is P over B. So mula na, very simple lang ang atong formula. So you need to bear this in mind because it is very useful for you as we go along with our topic. So we have the percentage, the base and the rate. So ang formula hindi na natin basta-basta lang mabutang lang. Pag lesson, pagka problem, so diretso ka din sa formula. So first thing na dapat natin obrahon dere is to really understand the problem, kung ano ang inapangayo, because no one will help you unless you do, no? So next natin yung gusto ko mabantaan ninyo is kung paano mag-identify kung ang problem is all about percentage, base, or upon rate. So ang percentage natin, the number taken, it is formed after the word is. So tandaan lang natin ang percentage may clue word siya nga is. Just like for example dere kung magtanaw ta dere sa problem dere So ang aton basihan nanay ang sa percentage siya. The number taken, it is formed after the word is. So the clue word is. So 10% of 90 is 9. So kung tanaw natin, 10% is another number, 90 is another number, and 9 is another number. So sir, dira sa tatlo ka number ang percentage. So we have your clue na. The clue here is where the word is. So this is now our percentage. So another one. So how about another concept is base. So ang base, it represents the whole. It is formed after the word of. So kung ang percentage is, ang base is of. So in this case, 10% of 90, so one na lang ang atong choices. So we have 90, we have the 10%. So since ang 90 mera sa isang word na of, so probably this is now our base. This is now our base. And of course, ang last na concept natin is the rate. So rate, it is expressed in percent. So it has the sign percent. So mula mali ang ato niyang basihan diri ang percent the sign. So in this case, 10% is the only number na may ara sa percent sign. So probably So mula na sa class. So R, B, or P. So dapat kabalo ka mo mag-identify sa sina nga clue word. Kag also you need to understand that because there are some tricky situation nga wala sang clue. So another example din naman ta. So 120 is 30% of 40. So 120 is 20% of 400 units. 400. Okay. So, ang 120, identified na siya. Ang 30% and 400. Okay. So, in this case naman, ang 400 is our base because may ara siya sang natawag na clue word of. Okay? So, while the 30% is our rate. Why rate? Because may percent sign. So, very easy lang, no? While 120 is the percentage. Okay, this is the percentage. Okay, this is now the percentage. Okay, so in this case, probably makumpleto na natin ang tatlo ka letters, which is important in dealing with formula. So let's go now in identifying the formula in every situation. So number 1, so 75% of 80 is blank. Now, sir, ano ang formula ang aton gamiton dere? Di ba this is now the problem? So once again, kung may problem ka mo, it's up to you how you understand it. So it's up to you how you figure out the kind of formula nga pwede nimo gamiton. So mo na siya importante gid naman maintindihan nato ng definition kay na. So 75%, let's identify first. So 75% is it percentage, base, or rate? So for example, this one. So this is now the formula. So is it percentage, base, or rate? So ang rate, as you can see kay na may percent sign. So probably this is the rate. So this is 75% ang aton nga rate. So while ang 80 is our base because of the clue word nga of. So this is now our base. So this is 80. And of course, it represents the percentage. So since the percentage is unknown, so that is our problem na. So kung kabalo lang mo, so that is already our problem. So ang formula for that is this. Percentage equals to base times rate. So if you are going to look at it, percentage equals to base. Ang base natin is 80 times mo siya sa 75%. Pero take note guys that 75% ang percentage na sign, it's not allowed kung mag-answer kita sa ang sinina problem. So dapat i-convert natin anay ang 75% sa decimal. So paano tayo i-convert ang decimal? All you need to do, for example, we have 75%, iuwan siya, it turns out like this. So 75, mag-iyo ka lang sa 2 ka 0. So putang ka na sa period. So it ends up like 0.75. So i-write na liwat, percentage equals 80 times 0.75. And of course, the answer here is 80 weight. So the final answer here is that is our final answer. So 75% of 80 is 60. So mula nakasimple guys, mag-simplify or mag-answer sang problem involving percentage. So in this case naman, 36% of what percent of 60? So once again, 36 of what percent of 60? So as you can see here, the word of, okay, it talks about that 60 is our base, and of course ang percent dere, it's quite questionable, and the only thing that requires percent is the rate, no, diba? Ang rate may percentage, and of course the 36 is considered as our percentage. Now, what is the unknown? The unknown here is the rate. So, anong gamitin natin ng formula for that? So, for example, we have here. Okay. So, ang percentage natin there is unknown. I mean, the percentage is 36. While the base here is 60. Yes, 60. The rate here is wala, unknown. So the problem or the formula ang gamito natin is the formula for rate because the rate is unknown. So paano natin i-figure out ang formula? So rate equals, so 36 over 60. So if we're going to simplify that, if we're going to simplify this one, so the answer is 0.60. Okay. So sir, di ba mo sir, kung rate ang gina-storyanta, dapat may percentage get? Correct. Amo na siya dapat. So yung muunta dire is that we need to convert the percentage into we need to convert the rate into percentage. So, ang muon naton, may mo lang kita, di ba 60% point, just move 2 digit. So, butang ka di 0 and then put percentage sign. Okay, so the answer is 60. The answer is 60 and then just ignore the 0. So, probably this is 60% na. Or pwede man i-times mo siya 100. So that is now our rate, 60%. So 36 of what percent of 60? So the answer here is 60%. So okay, number 3. So 40% of a number is 240. So what is now the number? So ano na siya ng klase sa problem? Is it percentage, is it base, or is it rate? So probably mabalanta lang na if we're going to find the values or check the given number. So once again, let's check the triangle formula. Okay, so for example, we have percentage. Let's find the percentage. So 40% of a number is 240. So 240. So 240 is our percentage because of the clue word is. Another one. So 40% naman niya. Syempre, this is the rate because of the word, because of the sign percent. So this is 40%. Okay. And of course, the base, what is the number? Ang base is wala, the rate. So muna siya ang problem. Ang pinapangita is base. So the formula in answering the base is this. So base B over R. So percentage is 240 over the rate. The rate is 40%. So once again, hindi na siya gapon pwede magamit ang 40% when answering this one. We need to convert that in decimal. So all we need to do is to write again. So if you're going to do like this, 40%, ma-add ka lang 2 ka 0, period, then 0, direct. So the answer is 0.40. Now our base is 600. So that is our base. So 40% of a number is 240. What is the number? The number is 600. Now, so let's try this thing if we can. If you can really apply all those stuff that I said just a while ago. So try to answer this one. Please identify whether the following problem is base, rate, or percentage problem. So you write base if it is base. You write R if it is for rate. You write P if it is for percentage. So malapit siya. And I hope you learned something and may pagkabulig man sa ginagawa sa inyo. I hope you are doing well in your lesson. So thank you so much.